There is a fish with no jaw, no bones, and no functional eyes. It suffocates sharks. This is the hagfish. It lives on soft sediment seafloors between 100 and 1,000 meters deep, where carcasses sink from above and are consumed completely, leaving nothing behind. Its body is long and cylindrical, reaching 60 centimeters, with no jaw, no bones, no scales, and skin that hangs loosely, unattached along most of its length. When threatened, it releases mucus from up to 200 glands distributed across its entire body. That mucus expands on contact with seawater, absorbing water molecules and forming a dense, fibrous gel. A single hagfish fills a standard bucket in under 60 seconds. That gel is not conventional mucus. Its fibers are 100 times thinner than human hair, with tensile strength comparable to nylon. They clog gill passages instantly. The slime expands faster than any gill movement can clear it. Sharks retreat or suffocate. The U.S. Navy studied its fiber structure for ballistic materials. A jawless, boneless scavenger produced a material defense engineers couldn't replicate. No jaw, no bones, no eyes. It has outlasted everything that was supposed to be better designed. Follow for more creatures built for extremes. There is a fish that hunts by walking. Its strike is 25 times faster than a blink. This is the sea toad. It lives between 200 and 1,500 meters deep across the Atlantic and Indo-Pacific, where light never reaches and pressure exceeds 150 times that of the surface. Its body is squat and heavily built, with a wide, flattened head and an enormous upward tilting mouth. Its pectoral and pelvic fins extend outward like thick, jointed limbs, not built for swimming, built for walking. It moves across the seafloor slowly, deliberately, closing distance one placement at a time. No chase, no pursuit, just proximity. When close enough, its mouth expands and generates a pressure differential that pulls water and prey inward simultaneously. The strike completes in 6 milliseconds. The prey is inside before its nervous system can issue a response. No evasion, no warning, no window. On the deep sea floor, the most dangerous predator is the one that never needed to swim. Follow for more creatures built for extremes.
Whale milk is so thick that it looks more like toothpaste than liquid that you're familiar with. This is because it contains an extremely high amount of fat, often over 30 to 50%. In the ocean, normal milk would dissolve and drift away, which means the calf would not receive enough nutrition. But whale milk is different. It stays dense and cohesive, allowing it to travel as a solid mass directly from the mother to the calf. The mother uses specialized muscles to pump the milk under high pressure into the calf's mouth. This ensures that the calf receives maximum nutrition with every feed. Because of this high-fat superfuel, a whale calf can gain up to 90 kilograms every single day. This rapid growth is essential for survival, because without that instant layer of fat, the calf would freeze in the cold ocean environment.
What if I showed you whales compared to things you see every day? The beluga whale, about 5 meters. That's like a small car, stretched out. The orca, up to 9 meters. Not actually a whale, but the ocean's top predator. That's basically a full-size bus with teeth. The minke whale, around 10 meters. Longer than a city bus. The humpback whale, 16 meters. That's like stacking 2 buses end to end. The right whale, around 18 meters. About the length of a basketball court, half line to baseline. And insanely heavy. The sperm whale, 20 meters, like a bowling lane, alive. The fin whale, 25 meters. That's close to a Boeing 737 wing length. The blue whale, 30 meters long. That's longer than a basketball court, or about the height of a 10-story building. Its heart, the size of a small car. From a car to something bigger than buildings. The ocean doesn't just have animals, it has living landmarks. Follow for more mind-blowing ocean facts, because nature gets even crazier than this. Comment, which one felt unreal?
There is a snail on the ocean floor, whose shell the U.S. military studied for body armor design. It built that shell from hydrothermal poison. This is the scaly-foot snail, the only animal on Earth with iron armor. It lives exclusively around hydrothermal vents at 2,400 meters deep in the Indian Ocean, where water exits the seafloor at 400 degrees Celsius and dissolves metal from the rock around it. Its foot, The soft base every other snail exposes to move is covered in thousands of interlocking iron sulfide scales, rigid and overlapping like chainmail. It absorbs iron and sulfur directly from vent fluid and deposits them into its own tissue. The minerals crystallize within a protein matrix secreted by the foot itself. That armor has 3 layers. The outer absorbs impact. The middle disperses energy like a shock absorber. The inner holds structural rigidity. Human engineers modeled it, tested it, still cannot replicate it. A snail built better body armor than we did. It didn't survive its environment. It consumed it and wore it. Follow for more creatures built for extremes.
This anglerfish has a secret. It is not hunting alone. Somewhere on her body, attached permanently to her skin, is a male anglerfish. The male is a fraction of her size. He bites into her flesh. Their blood supplies merge. His eyes go first, then his organs. He does not die. He becomes part of her. She can carry up to 8 males at once, each fused, each permanent. Even the light she hunts with is not her own. The lure is powered by bioluminescent bacteria living inside it, a separate organism, another partnership she cannot survive without. The anglerfish is not one creature. It is several, each dependent on the others, each serving the same purpose: survival. The deep ocean is the least understood place on Earth. Down here, nothing is quite as it seems.
Please like, subscribe, and share for more interesting videos.